Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create finance analytics dashboard poster in Photoshop. Create a clean white or light blue finance themed canvas, then add a grid structure to simulate a dashboard layout. Also place shapes representing charts, graphs and analytics boxes. Add gradient overlays to each card for a premium UI effect. Insert financial icons like growth arrows and currency symbols. Add a headline about revenue growth or business insights. Use a corporate font for cleaner readability. Add floating shadows under each card for depth. Insert glowing dots